Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make steel in oxygen not included. To begin, understand that steel is a vital late-game material, essential for many advanced constructions. It's used for buildings that need to withstand extreme temperatures, like those in space or oil biomass. Producing steel is a key step in advancing your colony, but it does involve managing a lot of heat. First, let's gather the ingredients. You'll need refined iron, which you get by processing iron ore in a metal refinery. Next is refined carbon, typically made from coal in a kiln. Finally, you'll need lime. This can be obtained by crushing eggshells from critters, pokeshell molts, or fossils in a rock crusher. Lime is often the trickiest ingredient to get in large quantities. Once you have all your materials, head to the metal refinery. The recipe calls for 70 kilograms of iron, 20 kilograms of refined carbon, and 10 kilograms of lime. Combine these in the refinery to produce 100 kilograms of steel. Be aware that this process generates a lot of heat, so a robust cooling system for your metal refinery is absolutely essential to prevent it from overheating and breaking down. Steel is incredibly versatile, used for high-temperature machinery, rocket components, and even advanced automation. It's a cornerstone for expanding your base into space and handling extreme environments, offering a plus 200 degrees Celsius overheat temperature bonus to buildings. Speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.